This is the elevator at Science Hall. This is the actual Science Hall. The building I recorded at before is actually Houghton Hall at SUNY Fredonia in Fredonia, New York. The door was doing something weird earlier. It seems to be fine now. This is an Otis elevator. Not sure if this is Hydro or if it is a Gen 2. I hope it's a Gen 2, but it might be a Hydro. Oh, it's a Series 4. Basement. Here we go down. Finally something other than some third-party mod. Yeah, it's hydraulic. Here at the basement. Go to the penthouse. Don't know if that's open. It is open. Here up. I guess there's no like lockout or card or key switch or maybe there's something in the cabinet. Bouncy. Scraping on something. Here at the penthouse. Penthouse opens on this side. Looks like it's all mechanical. It doesn't look like it should be open. Back on the ground. Cabinet is locked. It's a basic stainless steel cabinet. It's pot lighting, basic Otis. I do not know when this was installed or when the building was built. I'm assuming it was installed when the building was built though. This looks like a newer building. Here we're back at ground. That goes and that's gonna be it.